did think that I would do some research on Dame Edna Everage so that I could talk to you about her while the cake cooked. But instead, I thought I'd just get a theatre expert in.
The stuff I know about Barry Humphries is sort of his early days here in Melbourne. So he was a Melbourne Uni student. He was involved in the theatre reviews there in the early 50s, and from there he moved into working with Melbourne Theatre Company, which was a wing of Melbourne Uni, and in fact did a lot of the reviews there that were housed at the Union Theatre at Melbourne Uni, and he would go away on tours with the company as well, and they would bus out to, you know, Geelong or wherever, Bendigo, Ballarat. And on one particular tour in the bus, he improvised a character who was a sort of satire of a suburban housewife who was, I think, originally Miss Edna Everage, actually, and it got such a good response that he from the the guys in the bus, that he brought it back and trialled it for the first time at the Union Theatre at Melbourne Uni for one of the reviews, the Union Theatre, which they are currently in the process of knocking down. So that bus and that theatre were the kind of birthplace of Edna Everage, and from there, when he left Melbourne and left MTC, he went up to Sydney and worked with the Phillip Street Review up there, and she starts to really become the Edna Everage that we recognise now. Not all the star stuff, that early kind of suburban thing before she became Dame Edna Everage. She starts to become that character up there, I think, in the Phillip Street Reviews.
Look at all the exciting things we're learning. Spider cake, spider cake.